Here's how to create UGC style unboxing videos, all using AI.
Okay, these are the shoes I've been waiting for. Yeah.
The first step is to come over to Pinterest and find a distinct photo style for your persona, then download that image. Next, bring that image over to ChatGPT and type, "Break this down into a detailed JSON prompt." ChatGPT will then generate this massive prompt block right here. All you do is click copy code at the top. Next, go over to Google, search for flow, and open up the web tool. Set your ratio to vertical 9:16, choose Nano Banana Pro or Nano Banana 2. Select 4, paste your JSON prompt in, and hit generate. Once it renders a grid of options, select your favorite face. Drag that image back into the prompt box and ask for a complete model character sheet with outfit and angle variations. Pick the best sheet and download your main portrait, plus all the angle references. Next, come over to the product you want to promote and download that image. Now upload your product, your main portrait plus character sheet into ChatGPT and ask for 3 real concepts. Once it gives you the ideas, ask for the exact image to video prompt for concept you like, complete with camera motion and lighting details, then copy that text. Head over to a video model like Grok, Flow, or Kling. Paste your video prompt, attach your character reference sheet, lock the resolution to 9:16 vertical, set your duration slider, and click Generate. That combines your prompt details with your character references to build a fully consistent AI influencer ready to post across social media, all made with AI.
Some shoes enter the room before you do. Make an entrance.
Save this video so you don't lose the workflow, and drop a comment below if you want me to send you the exact prompt templates.